Guduchi. Sir, how this drug can be given in pediatric patients? Now, if we have a like, there will be admissions in our hospital. So, at what age group can we start with this with Guduchi, either Churna, either than Amruta Arista, sir?
We have Amruta Arista at our disposal in the form of Guduchi, and we can have a Guduchi Sattva. We can use it in any combination. So if it is a child, we can use Guduchi Sattva. Preferably, Guduchi as a drug as a whole should be given. Then it is a better. Guduchi should be given as a powder, mixing with either honey or something like that as an anupana. Then use it. That will be better.
So it is safe also in pediatric if we give a single drug therapy, sir.
Yeah, it is safer. See, our Ayurvedic herbal drugs, they are able to give results by their action, but doesn't cause any abnormality. Because if you need to have any abnormality, then you should have a single molecule. Then single molecule in a very rich concentration. What the drug as a whole we use it, it doesn't have this single molecularity. It will have a multiple molecules and multiple molecules acting in a different manner, and all these things are simply we are giving a therapeutic dosage. It is not in a toxic dosage. So there is a higher level of drug dosages, and which we don't prescribe in case of children or even any adult. So we don't find such type of any changes or damages to the liver or anywhere with the Guduchi or any drug. It is not so.
Sir, if you are to use Amrutarista, at what is the earliest age of the child that we can use?
I think we have another combination. Amrutarista is good, but thing is we have a better drug called Arvindasava that can be used in case of that. But as a Guduchi, I usually start using Guduchi after the age of 10. We don't find any complications if we start using the Guduchi after the age of 10. But doesn't if it is used in the earlier ages also, nothing will happen, because many of the marketed syrups are in that also do contain Guduchi in them. It is being used and targeted to the child age group, so it doesn't make any thing. But only thing is that Shastra or the classical texts say that the best drug in the form of Asava Arista, which can be used in case of a child or a pediatric group, is Arvindasava.